Hello, math class, Algebra 1. Coach Nick's coming to you from Screencast-O-Matic. Alright, the notes we're taking today are word problems. I like to call them applications. People hate word problems, so let's just name them something else. These are called application problems, okay? They're not word problems, they're applications. Guys, this four-step method I want to see on every one of your problems. Now, define the variables does not mean look up the word variables in the dictionary. What it means is you're going to come over here and you're going to look at the question where it says how many adult tickets are you going to sell and how many children's tickets are you going to sell. Those are the variables that we're trying to solve for. So we're going to say A equals the number of adult tickets and C equals the number of child's tickets. Okay? And you could use X and Y, and that's fine. Doesn't really matter. We can change them to X and Y later if we want. Now, we are told that we sell 21 tickets. Now, we don't know how many of each, but we do know that A plus C must equal 21. Right? Makes sense, right, everybody? Now, you collect a total of $104, but you don't know how much of that came from children's tickets. You don't know how much of that came from adult tickets, but you do know that each adult ticket, which is A, has to be multiplied by $6, and that each child ticket has to be multiplied by $4, and that if you add up all that money, it should equal $104. And so now you have to ask yourself, we just completed step 2 by the way, writing the system of equations. So we did, here's step 1, okay? Here's step 2. Now we need to solve this. Well, that's tricky. We're going to have to multiply this top equation by -4 or -6 to get one of these variables to cancel out. So 4 is a smaller number, so -4 times A minus 4 times C equals -84. So I just multiplied this whole equation right here by -4. Why did I choose -4? Well, you're about to see. The second equation says 6A plus 4C equals 104. Well, now there's a -4C and a positive 4C that I can cancel out. Now I need to add these up. 2A equals 20. Divide by 2. A, the number of adult tickets, is 10. We sold 10 adult tickets. Now all we have to do is put 10 right here in place of A to find C. 10 plus C equals 21. C equals 11. So, please write your answer in a sentence form. 10 adult tickets and 11 children's tickets were sold. Okay, so there's our answer. All right. Oh, that's 4 minutes. Let's do one more and then you can do maybe the last one on your own. Your family goes to a restaurant for dinner. There are 6 people in your family. Some order the chicken for $14.80. Some order the steak for $17. If the total bill is $91, how many people ordered each type of dinner? So in other words, how many people ordered orders of chicken were there and how many orders of steak were there. So chicken, C equals number of chicken orders, and S equals number of steak orders. Now we know C plus S has to equal 6 because there's 6 people in your family. C plus S equals 6. I'm on step 2 now. We also know that if you multiply, that you're going to have to multiply the number of chicken orders times 1480, plus you're going to have to multiply the number of steak orders times 17, 17S, to get the total cost of the dinner, which is $91. Now all I need to do is multiply this top equation by negative 17 so that it'll cancel out right here. Negative 17C minus 17S equals, what's 17 times 6, everybody? 17 times 6 is 102, negative 102. Now write down your second equation, 1480C plus 17S equals 91. Look what I got here. Because I multiplied by negative 17, I have opposites, so those will cancel out when I do my addition right here. And this is going to be $2.20 times C equals, I'm sorry, that's negative 220 times C equals negative 11. Divide both sides by negative 2.2. And you get C equals 5. So 5 chicken dinners were ordered. So you put 5 right back here. 5 plus what equals 6? 5 plus S equals 6. So S equals 1. So 1 steak dinner was ordered. 5 chicken dinners were ordered. So write that down. 1 steak dinner and 5 chicken dinners were ordered. Okay, that is step 4. State your solution in sentence form. All right, guys, I'll let you try the last one, number 3, on your own. That means don't leave it blank when you get to class. Even if your problem doesn't feel like it's being worked out right, if you'll follow the steps that I did right here in my 2 problems, okay, if you'll follow those steps, maybe you'll get close to getting the right answer, or maybe you'll get it perfectly, okay? So try this one. Okay, everybody can try. Doesn't mean everybody's going to get it right, but everybody can try, okay? Just do it, as they say in the old Nike commercials. All right, I am ending the video now.